Okay, class. Good morning po. So, before we begin, let us part ourselves in the presence of the Lord. May I ask Ellen to lead us prayer? Okay, thank you. Ellen, you may take now a seat. Okay, class. I will check your attendance first before we start the lesson. Okay, Miguel. Shari. Okay. Okay, now let us start the lesson. This is the topic for today: collaboration with families and professionals. So, our lesson for today is one of the most important foundation of being an educator: collaboration with families and professionals. So, take a look the picture slide now. Here's the picture. Okay. What do you think is happening here? Okay po. So, very good. In your own experience, what do you think children benefit when adults, teachers, parents, and professionals work together? So, exactly. Very good. Today, we will explore what collaboration looks like and why it's matter. Our field. So, our topic is collaboration with family and professional. This includes, ito po yung mga kasama niya. So, number 1, why collaboration is essential. Number 2, who the partners are. Number 3, strategies for effective communication. Number 4, challenges and possible situations. So, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify the importance of collaboration. Next, explain the rules of the families and professionals. Next, demonstrate communication skills through a role play. Then the next one is, the last one, evaluate challenges, real-life situation. That is identify the importance of collaboration. Okay. Before we begin, let's recall the previous lesson on child development. So, can anyone remind us what is the holistic development means? Okay, very good, Lara. So, let us begin. That is correct, Miss Lara. Child development is not only physical or cognitive. It's an emotional, social, and behavioral. Because teachers cannot work alone. Okay? Okay po. So, let us begin. Let us proceed the main topic today. So, what is collaboration? So, means working together toward common goal. In an education, collaboration ensures that a child receives consistent, holistic support. That is the meaning of collaboration, class. Okay po. Next, sa number 2, who do we collaborate with? Or, who do we collaborate with? So, number 1 is families. Number 2, teachers and co-teachers. Number 3, SPED teachers. Number 4, guidance and counselors. Number 5, social workers. Number 6 is the healthcare professional like therapists and nurse. Oh, that is the collaboration with main topic this morning. So, next is number 3. Why collaboration is important? So, it builds trust and strength relationships. Ito daw po ay pinaka-important para sa ating pang-araw-araw na lakas. So, yun po yung pinaka-important sa collaboration. So, number 2, it ensures that school and home approach are aligned. Number 3, it helps identify learning difficulties. That is collaboration important. Then the last one is, it supports children overall growth. So, tatandaan nyo po yan, class, lahat. And the next one is, number 4, principles of effective collaboration. What is the effective collaboration? This is the number 1 is, respect. Number 2 is, cultural sensitivity. Or cultural sensitivity. Next is active listening. Next is clear communications. And the last one is shared decision making. So, that is a principle of effective collaboration. So, the next one is now let's apply what we learned. I will divided you into groups. Each group will receive a case scenario. So, like, this is a case example. Listen class. Okay? Okay po. This is a case example. A child shows signs of speech delay. So, a teachers must meet with the parents and a speech therapist to plan interventions. So, that is a case scenario. So, in your group, discuss the following. So, this is the group question in your answer this question for this activity today. So, number 1, who should collaborate in this situation? Next, number 2, what strategy should the teacher use? Number 3, what challenges may arise? Number 4, how will you address these challenges? So that is a 4-question class. So you need to, you have 7 minutes to answer the question. You need to write your answer in a Manila paper. And after that, you need to present here in your classmate to answer the 4 question. Okay, class? Okay. Okay, class? You need to 7 minutes to answer that question. Okay. So, start now. Okay, class? Okay, thank you so much for your participating this group. Very good. Okay. Okay, for your role playing, that is the other activities. And this your assessment today. That is one 2 activities today. And your role playing activity or assessment will be set on the next meeting. Okay, class? Okay. Okay, I want to hear you from again. What is the what important you learn about the collaboration? You need to who's the answer this question? Okay. Miss Lina, you need to answer this one. Okay, very good. So, class, the collaboration is not optional. It is an essential in ensuring the success for every learner. Okay po, naintindihan? Okay, very good, class. Okay. For your, I have assignment. One assignment for today, you need to pass tomorrow. The question is, or write one page reflection answering this question in the whole sheet of paper, and then pass it tomorrow. So this is your questions. Why is collaboration essential in your future career as an educator or childcare professionals? Oh, that is your question. That is your assignment for today, class. You need to pass it tomorrow. Okay, class? Okay, thank you. Everyone, thank you, class, for participate or actively listening today for our discussions. So, you need to prepare your things to outside this room, and ingat sa pag-uwi, and see you tomorrow again.